How to increase or decrease touch sensitivity on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Settings, scroll down and click on Display. After click on Display, scroll down and you will see touch sensitivities. Here if you want to increase touch sensitivity, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see touch sensitivities increase. If you want to decrease touch sensitivity, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see touch sensitivities decrease. You will increase or decrease touch sensitivity from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can increase or decrease touch sensitivity on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.